Yawazoya soko tu mama sorry to me.
Yawazoya soko.
Utirunkwa. Obi bekede ehun bi pen nti na abo asere ojeje no ba no zinanyu ato nchen. Ended that yo ha na oye matcha ba Akosua Mantey. Oto nsa fra hene de. Ne Guinness record na otu ha na mon. No ho asam papa bi a wa atene de oye.
So na Ghana for Ambekase the chant. Me say I need this video for a reference before Ghanaians will tell me I have lied. So this is coming from the Guinness World Record. Thank you.
Theater money call Legon City Mall. MCF live for your Legon City Mall. Now today we're bringing you exclusive details about Akosua Mantey. I can't hear baby makeup pattern or whatever they call it. Yes, results now out. Now we'll hold the press conference right here. And see, we are here to give you the details of that. What say or Smith there or and something real. And so guys, let's get in there and find out what's going on. My name is DJ Parker Rich. Now yes, say I say what's in it. Aiko.
Yeah.
Is there him there as you could go? Yeah. Yawazoya soko. Two mama sorry to me.
Yawazoya soko.
Utirunkwa. Sister, Emimi Judy. Let's say a first lady winning mentor. At us, and I only first person a makeup or Ghana. It may win the Madi. Inside, I will be the number one. Cecilia, what's the way forward after this?
Okay, so from the beginning, the idea of this marathon was all about the beauty industry. Professionally, I'm a makeup artist, and I'm sure me beauty industry. I mean, say, and the government has no notice, and for most say be a quiet front but say a car industry or more employer, and so mama for Jumana and San Juma, the beauty industry, a bunny a makeup and tidy pump. I took it upon myself, said let me do this marathon to also get the attention of the government. Na who say beauty industry also an industry as a whole. Said there more tourism, more gender for women. Yes, so beauty industry there as a whole. Said to me so now more less privilege for moon to mean to a school so more pensa and jumano. You bet me a man near my form for my mom no more to me a suyan and juma. I'm more to me and bibi. I show more any of my busuya.
Well, I think I've been pennies here the margin seeing part there it will surely come true. But we're marking and I won't be able to that banning paying for to tell them that you'll be able to win this. And there was special to be a week again showing you the
yes, apart from Onumpono, yaba the Nzama Bogwa Konoma, one about one hokwan. Those who would openly open up for us a yembo who one yabako one ho near Quaco one, not ye tum ye boy ye industry know how the industry is and what they can do to help the industry to grow. In as much ye na ye boade or man ebe cordon say if there's an industry be a wobble one home was na yen so ye botum ya aboa mamana kodoma unemployment so at so my teenage pregnancy be say afọ onye mbe info the road because bibi obesity at least so one son you maybe ya on koye dam na yetum ye put up initiative I botum ya aboa na yazama one na wo ye less privileged to get something to do obema one so why embassy afọ papa e wo money mu
ayaze eraba my mama catch and e kwotwen wo kotokraba fabra ai everybody say be security sengai do ai alright that's I say bye. Okay, into Ebusuafo, yeah, war Legon City Mall, and then yeah, but witness of course the achievements, and like my sister is saying, and we have one beautiful sister. Mommy, what friend?
I'm Queen Rich Loss Herrico. I'm CEO of Rich Adepa Natural Cosmetics, Rich Pencil Art Gallery, Rich Afrique Fashion Designs, and Moments with Rich Love Foundation.
I said, Madam, no group of companies, no,
Rich group of companies.
But then you missing her.
What's your Debbie?
I'm more from Parko Rich, into rich. Here then I'm traffic my woman and fans. Yes, rich. Usabaka. Anyway, what do you have to share about this particular achievement by Akosua?
What I'm going to say is that know what you have passion for and go for it. And sometimes when you have a zeal, you have a dream, don't let nothing discourage you. Like she said, that was the time the Tonton was all over. But she knew herself, she knew what I can also do in this industry. I'm good at it. And if I go for it, I can win. She never let the naysayers, whatever they were saying, got to her. The turn down of sponsors got to her. And God has proved himself that with God, everything is possible. With God, hard work, imagination is more important than success. That's this thing in life. When you imagine it, you put hard work to it, and with God you will succeed. She imagined to become a Guinness record, and today she is. There was days of sleepless nights. She became sick. One of the video when we were watching, she was vomiting, but she never gave up. God bless her team. God bless her family, and God bless us that came to use our faith.
You guys did well, you know.
So we give God the glory, and this is a sign for all the youth. If you have a passion for something, go for it.
I say, regardless the challenges you go through when you want to get something in life, just go straight. I mean, you will believe you dream. The small few people now will be believing. Go with them. And surely, success will be your portion. And Sister Rich, Rich Love, Queen Rich Love, on him I always award. He's in a heavy rough. It will go inside and speak to some, people that came to support her. Aye. Thank you.
I don't want peace. I want problem. Always.
You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah. How can you tell me this story?